Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use your TCL Smart TV without the remote. So if your remote is lost or it is malfunctioning, and if you want to use your TCL Smart TV, you can use your TCL Smart TV without the remote. So one way is that physical button on the bottom of the screen. So the TCL has a one button on the bottom of that logo right there. So if you press on that button, some of the TV models are going to show you a navigation menu, a multifunctional menu, where you can press the button again and again to navigate through your TCL TV. It is very simple and very easy, but unfortunately some models does not support that, including mine. So if I click on that button, it is going to shut off and it is not going to show me a multifunctional menu. So in that case, what you can do is you can simply connect it with any external mouse or any external keyboard, or on your cell phone. You can go to your Google Home. You can search for devices and then add a device. In your devices, you can add the device of your Android TV. You can go to your Android TV from there on, and from here on you can open the remote and you can navigate through your TCL Smart TV through this without any remote required. So this is how you can use your TCL Smart TV. I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.